It is Monday 29th of January 2018, DAX 30 Index. Okay, so my last update and chart analysis is when I seen this move, I was expecting a further sell-off upon a expanding 5-wave zigzag pattern, but it unfortunately avoided that last move down. So instead of getting that, we had support of the 23 horizontal Fibonacci, and then the DAX went on, made a new all-time high. So that was one of the patterns that didn't quite play out the way I expected it to. We've had this very important timing angle. It came up, tried to break above it. It failed. Confirmation came on the following candle and was rejected from it, went down. And currently on this Fibonacci measurement, it's found support of the 38 Fibonacci, which is 13,274. If I zoom in here a bit, one thing to take note of, it's tried the bears, the sellers have tried to push it 1, 2, 3 times below that 38. The rule is one of Gann's rules is that upon the 4th time, if they come back down, or the 4th time, it will confirm the break below. So if it does, we can see lower prices to print, and then that may be a signal for a further sell-off to come. Interesting enough too, it's that 38 is in direct area of a timing angle there too. So for the moment, that's holding as pretty strong support, but if it comes back down again and breaks through it on the 4th time, will be the confirmation. So that'd be an area to watch, because that may trigger stops on either side of that. If we move across to the 4-hour chart, similar thing going on here on the 4-hour. We'll almost have a sloping head and shoulders pattern in formation here too. So that, if I highlight that, there will be the left shoulder. Up here, this area is the head, the right shoulder. The neckline I would deem on the 76 here. So if it broke through the 76, if that is to play out as a head and shoulders pattern, the rule is the move into the pattern you'd have to take there. So that could give us a price of 12,800. But one thing to stress, head and shoulders patterns don't have a high probability. So the chances of this playing out on that measured move to that 12,800 area is probably very minimal. So at the moment, my call for the DAX is work off the daily chart, that Fibonacci area. Once again, 13,274, the 38.2 Fibonacci. If that goes, lower prices could print. If the bulls consolidate above that, they most likely ultimately make another move towards the recent high. That's my call for the DAX.